into the alleged murder of Raja Raghuvanshi. Here we are bringing you the full details. Yes, viewers, a team from the forensic crime scene unit has arrived at Waisadong Falls in Sora to reconstruct the crime scene into Raja Raghuvanshi murder case. The visit marks the beginning of a detailed crime scene reconstruction efforts as a part of the ongoing investigation. Alongside the forensic experts, personnel from the State Disaster Response Force and the Meghalaya Police have also reached the location to provide support during the reconstruction exercise. According to police sources, the accused individuals in the script will be brought to the scene today to aid investigators in piecing together sequence of events that led to the alleged murder. The crime scene reconstruction is expected to offer critical insights and help to collaborate statements made during interrogation. This move follows days of intense investigation into the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi, who has shocked the region and drawn widespread attention due to its brutal nature and the location where the crime took place. Authorities have remained tip-lipped about the specific evidence being reviewed, but indicated that forensic mapping and physical walkthroughs will be critical in building a watertight case. The Meghalaya Special Investigation Team is preparing to reconstruct the crime scene in connection with the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi just days after the case sparked national attention and calls for justice. According to officials, the reconstruction will take place at a parking lot in Sohra where the murder allegedly occurred. The accused Sonam Raghuvanshi, Raja Kushwaha, Akash, Vishal and Anand will be present during the process. A senior police official confirmed that investigators have recovered a sharp-edged weapon reportedly bought in Guwahati believed to have been used in the murder. East Khasi Hills SP Vivek Siam stated that the police officials are working to file the charge sheet against the accused within the mandated time frame. The murder of Raja Raghuvanshi, who had been reported missing, has led to rising public outrage and scrutiny, particularly over the role of his wife Sonam and her alleged involvement. On 15th of June, Raja's family publicly questioned Sonam's version of events, suggesting possible gaps in the narrative shared with police. Moreover, another brother, Sachin Raghuvanshi, led a candlelight march in Indore to demand justice and keep public focus on the case. The case has drawn political attention as well. Meghalaya BJP President Rikmanji Momin addressed public concern, urging people not to defame the state in the light of the crime. Yes, viewers, a team from the forensic crime scene unit has arrived at the Waisadong Falls in Sora to reconstruct the crime scene in connection with the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi. The exercise is a part of the ongoing investigation and the personnel from the State Disaster Management Response Force and Meghalaya Police are providing support. The accused individuals, including Sonam Raghuvanshi, Raja Kushwaha, Akash, Vishal and Anand, will be brought to the scene to aid investigators in piecing together sequence of events. The crime scene reconstruction is expected to provide critical insight and help collaborate statements made during the interrogation. Authorities have recovered a sharp-edged weapon reportedly purchased in Guwahati believed to have been used in the murder. East Khasi Hills SP Vivek Siam stated that the police are working to file the charge sheet against the accused within the mandated time frame. The murder has led to rising public outrage and scrutiny, particularly over the role of Raja's wife Sonam and her alleged involvement. Raja's family has questioned Sonam's version of events, suggesting possible gaps in the narrative shared with the police. Moreover, a candlelight march was held in Indore to demand justice and keep public focus on the case. The case has drawn political attention as well, with Meghalaya BJP President Rikmanji Momin addressing public concern and urging people not to defame the state. He praised the Meghalaya police for cracking the case, saying Meghalaya is a safe and tourist-friendly state. Yes, viewers, Director General of Police Ida Sisha Nongrang confirmed that the investigators are working toward filing the charge sheet within the legal time frame. She described the investigation as progressing steadily and emphasized that the team continues to piece together the full narrative. Although investigators initially believed a love triangle might explain the killing, Nongrang stated that theory alone doesn't fully account for the crime severity. She noted that the team is still interrogating the suspect and aims to clarify each individual's role while assembling a detailed timeline of events. She also mentioned that police may seek extended custody once the initial 8-day remand ends. According to investigators, Sonam informed the team about the location of Raja's missing jewelry, prompting plans to verify her claims during the next phase of the investigation. On a broader note, the DGP pointed out that Sora continues to be one of the Meghalaya's safest regions with virtually no history of violent crime. She also highlighted the general non-violent disposition of the local Khasi and Garo communities. Meanwhile, a video recorded by the tourists and shared on Instagram has gone viral on social media, showing Sonam and Raja walking together near Nongriya, possibly just hours before his death. In the footage, Sonam appears in the black trousers and a white long-sleeved shirt similar to one later found at the crime scene, walking slightly ahead of Raja. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News NA.